Welcome to Tea at the Technician at Mad Hatter Auto Repair in Omaha, Nebraska and Council Bluffs, Iowa. Today we're going to talk about oil changes. Why do we change our oil? What type of oil should we be using? And also a little bit about additives. Anyways, oil today is the lifeblood of our vehicle. It is used to not only lubricate the engine, but also cool components. And it's also used to create a hydraulic tension for timing components and lifters for your valves. Now, always remember to use manufacturer recommended oil and make sure it meets the specifications that the manufacturer wants if you're not using the manufacturer's exact oil. Cars today require much more of an oil than they did back in the day of the old conventional oil changes. So as you start to see, the 1995 oil changes are moving their way out because of the necessary synthetic and synthetic blend oil that cars are needed for them to operate correctly today. And always be sure to replace an oil filter every time you change your oil. Now, me on my vehicles, I use oil additives like BG, MOA, and EPR when I change my oil. The BG EPR is used to clean the system of dirt, components, and also to keep the rings on the pistons clean. So that way you have a reduced amount of blow-by of oil or oil consumption when you're driving. And then the MOA is used to keep the oil lasting longer. It has more detergents and additives to help that oil for its life. Now remember to always talk to your service advisor whether you should be using it, what oil you should be using, and also what additives would help the life of your vehicle. And thank you for tuning in today. We'll see you next time on our next Tea with a Technician. Thank you.